I brought a model with zero experience to class today, and this is what happened.
But you're kind of saying it like if something bad happened, right? This is what happened. It was
and
bad.
You're not going to believe what happened. Every now and then we get a new person that calls us and says that, hey, I'm looking to model, I don't know where to start, they have no experience, so they go to the school. They come to the photography school, and this is a common thing with all other new photographers is, how do I pose my client? So this was a challenge I presented for the class today.